How to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So first, head on over onto your Shopify dashboard, click on settings on the bottom left, then you're going to click on domains on the left panel over here. Once you click on domains, you're going to click on connect existing domain. Once you do that, you're going to type in the domain that you have purchased via GoDaddy. Once you do that, you're going to click on follow setting instructions over here, and from here, you're going to change your provider account settings. So this will open up a new tab, and you're going to have depending on your domain name, you might have different instructions that are provided to you. Now you can just click on verify connection over here. And once you click on verify connection, you can go on ahead and copy and paste these values. So to do that, you're just going to head on over into your GoDaddy dashboard. Click on your domain on the left. Once you click on domain, click on manage DNS. Once you click on manage DNS, you are just going to open up the DNS records, click on add a new record, and then you're going to copy and paste these values. So this is a record. This is not a CNAME record. We're going to select A, then we're going to select name, and then we can just paste that in. Then after that, you can add the IP like so. And then after that, you can add the required value. We're going to add our required value over here. Then once completed, we can click on save on the bottom right, and then click on add domain. And once you do that, just like that, your domain name will now be added. So over here, it might take a couple of seconds for it to be synced up and verify the connection. And just like that, your domain name connection has been completed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.